You can also apply existing materials to other models inside of Blender easily. So to do that, I'm going to first go on to the viewport shading mode right here so that I can see the materials applied. So over here, I'm going to apply a material. And to do that, I'm going to go around into the option right here in the material. And here you can see material is here. So if I were to go around and then double click this, then I can rename this. So I can see that this is, let's say for example, this is shiny material right here. So I'm just going to type in shiny, and then I'm going to go around right here, and then I have enabled material library VX. So I'm just going to go to sample materials right here and then apply, let's say for example, some shiny material. So here's the metallic paint. So let me just go around and then apply this to selection. So there you go, there's the metallic paint right here. So if I were to select this, I'm going to go around right here, and then what I can do is I can go around, change around its options right here. So there's color specs and everything, as you can see. So let me just go around right here, and once I select this, I can go around into surface in the settings right here, just like this, and I can change around how this actually looks. So I can work around with this option, as you can see. I can work around with the color spectrum right here, just like this. I can work around with the roughness, the smoothness, just like this. And this is what you have. So if you want to apply the metallic paint onto new object, I'm just going to go around and then press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to bring in a torus. So this is what I have, and in order to apply this, I'm going to go around right here, and then I'm going to go around right here. So I can go around, add this new material. So if I were to go around into the new material, you can see that the new material is added. But if I were to go on this option right here and choose metallic paint, now you can see metallic paint has been added onto this object. So whatever changes you like you applied right here, the same metallic paint has been applied over here as well. So similarly, I'm going to go around and then select out UV sphere right here, bring this in right here. So if I were to go around and then choose metallic paint, you can see that it has been applied over here as well. So similarly, I can go around and then save this mode right here, and you can see that this is how this looks. So metallic paint has been added onto all of the three objects. And that is how you can add existing materials to other objects inside of Blender.